In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter to record a meeting and turn it into official minutes of meeting. To get started, connect Otter to your calendar or invite Autopilot directly to your video meeting. This first part is important because it allows Otter to join the meeting automatically or be added just like another participant. If you use a calendar connection, Otter can recognize scheduled meetings and be ready when they begin. If you prefer, inviting Autopilot manually works well too, especially for one-off meetings or sessions that were scheduled at the last minute. Once that's set up, conduct your meeting as usual while Otter records and transcribes everything in real time. You don't need to change the way you run the meeting, just focus on the conversation, decisions, and next steps as you normally would. As the meeting continues, Otter captures the discussion and creates a transcript in the background. For the best results, make sure participants speak clearly and avoid talking over one another too often, since that helps produce a cleaner, more accurate transcript and summary. After the meeting is finished, go back into Otter and click on the meeting note. This is where all of the recorded content is stored. Inside the meeting note, open the summary section. This area is especially useful because Otter automatically organizes the conversation into a more digestible format, saving you time compared to writing notes from scratch. Instead of reviewing the entire transcript line by line, you can go straight to the key takeaways that Otter has already highlighted for you. From there, copy the generated outline and action items. These two sections are usually the most valuable when you need to create formal minutes of meeting, because they capture both the structure of the discussion and the tasks or follow-ups that came out of it. Once copied, you can export them or paste them into an email to share as your official meeting minutes. This approach is a simple way to speed up documentation while keeping your meeting records clear and organized. It also helps make sure important decisions and responsibilities don't get missed after the call ends. If you want a fast and practical workflow for capturing meetings and turning them into usable notes, this is an easy method to follow from start to finish.